that nobody cares about. What's up, guys? Weird but Neat, your favorite minimum wage YouTuber. Back at it again with another video. We are at the Berman Museum Bird Trail, and I left my wallet at home. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I've been making her carry my Coca-Cola delicious cherry vanilla. Not sponsored though, by the way. Not sponsored though, by the way. So we're gonna go up here. I think the birds are back the other way. Do you want to turn around? Yeah, the birds are back the other way. This just goes deeper into the woods.
Florida anise.
All right, time to go. Whoa! Wow! So yeah, sorry guys. We walked through the bird of prey, and it made me super sad. Yeah, but we walked through the bird of prey trail, and it just kept on. It was like too many owls in cages, and it bummed me out. So I was like, I'm not gonna put this online. It's too sad. I said, I'm sure this will get tons of views, but then I'll just have to go like this. What? Say that word again?
I said just be as lascivious as possible.
Why you always use these big words with me, woman? Hey Siri, what is the definition of lascivious? I know what it means. You don't have to. Thank you guys so much for watching this stupid thing. It's probably gonna be like a minute long, but we love you, all my hot boys and gamer girls. Thank you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing and get me to 1K. That was my milestone, and I was like, you know, once I hit that, I'll be happy. But I'm not. I want 10K, and I want 100K, and then I want 1 million. Okay, I love you guys. I don't know. Do I? Hi, Drew.
You know how cute I always thought you were.
Everything, like, you guys are my best friends in the world, but yeah. All right, I'm putting the phone away now. Swimming, and they gave me these to wear.
Show us, we're pretty.
But then I look over and it's like, hi, Wenda, Bean, and Lizzie McGuire. What's up, guys? takes is a little confidence, Wendell. You can do anything with confidence.
We went swimming.
And then they gave me this to wear.
Perfect. You say they. Hi.
Hey, Wenda gave me this to wear. I think she did it on purpose.
Wenda, you have to say
What's up, my doobies? You guys remember anybody from the old day? No, there's literally nobody watching this video. Okay, cool. Hi, new subscribers.
We're Drew's new girls.
This is news to me.
It's like we're a commune, actually. Yes, it's a cult. Yeah, exactly. He is the reincarnation of Jesus Christ? He is. We wholeheartedly believe this.
You guys are fucked. Well, man, you guys are starting to nod off a little bit. I was like,
What did he do?
Like turn us over on our side so when we vomit, like, we don't choke on it.
yeah, that's good friends for.
I thought that I saw gray on your leg and I thought you took those shorts off.
Do you think? Hey, when we got
He's
this,
just like man spraying
Your
all over
arm
the
was
place.
like covering it. I thought you were naked.
when we got to the drive-thru, do you think they'll mind if I'm like this? I'd like a #1 with extra pickles and mayonnaise, please. I have the mayonnaise. Yeah. Hello. So we just went swimming, and you know what? I'm gonna show what I did yesterday right now. Yeah, that was fun at the bird park, wasn't it, Wenda? Ha 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 ha.
Haha, yes.
The owl shed on me again. It tried to shit on me again.
It did not shit on you.
What'd you say, Liz?
The elf still hates you.
Yes, they all hate me.
Click, click, woo, click.
Yeah, that one, it was like clack, clack, its mouth.
Megan wasn't working there today though, so the Chick-fil-A that's up here on the right, not this one.
I'm gonna turn it here because I have to do the round.
Taco Bell instead of Chick-fil-A? Is this not a democracy? I'll buy your votes. It's a caving, man. So that people don't come in like that. Oh, stronger together, except for the gays. Stronger together. Unless you're gay.